The Lion and the Mouse. On a warm afternoon in the jungle, a mighty lion was napping under a shady tree. Suddenly, a tiny mouse scurried across his paw, accidentally waking him up. Startled and angry, the lion caught the mouse in his claws. "How dare you disturb my rest?" roared the lion. "I shall eat you as punishment." The terrified mouse pleaded, "O great king of the jungle, please spare my life. If you let me go, I promise I will help you someday." The lion laughed heartily at the idea of a tiny mouse helping him. Amused by the thought, he decided to let the mouse go. "Run along, little one," he said, releasing the mouse. Days later, the lion was prowling the jungle when he stepped into a hunter's trap. A thick net fell over him, and no matter how hard he struggled, he couldn't break free. His roars of frustration echoed through the forest. The mouse heard the lion's cries and rushed to help. Seeing the lion trapped, the mouse said, "Don't worry, I will help you." The mouse began gnawing at the ropes with his sharp teeth. Bit by bit, the net weakened, and soon the lion was free. "You were right, little mouse," said the lion, humbled and grateful. "Thank you for saving my life." From that day on, the lion and the mouse became good friends, proving that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for more videos.